So this is what I want them to do. I want them to pick something. Just pick anything you can see. Pick something. Okay. Sawa. So this is what I want them to do. Remember, we are here to talk about business, ndio? And in business kuna kuanga na zile rules zenye zina make a business to grow or to fail. And today we are talking about why businesses fail, ndio? So the first thing that business people look for when they are funding you is your story, ndio? It's your story. They fund the story more than they fund the idea, ndio? So now you guys, what you have on your ni on your hands ama ni at your hands ama ni in your hands. Kizungu si yetu. So I want you to tell a story about what you're holding. Sawa? And it should be 2 minutes. So tell a 1 minute story about what you're holding.
Hi guys. So I'm holding a throw pillow. This is used for aesthetic purposes. If you look at this chair and you look at this chair, there's a difference, right? If you are coming in, which one would you prefer to have a seat on? Anyone? This one? Yeah. So my brand is about aesthetics. So yeah, that's all.
Okay, let's come for her. Thank you so much, Robbie.
Hello guys.
Hello.
Hudson. And today I'm going to tell you a sleepy story. So here
what you did there.
I'm holding a comfortable pillow. Yeah, I see most people are tired. You can use this for your neck. Yeah. Yes. And if you're interested about the price, you can see me after the meeting.
Very nice. Thank you so much, Anton.
Hi guys. I don't know how to make a sale after such a good sale. Well, I have a remote controller here, and this remote controller is universal. Now, if you use this remote control on any Hisense TV, trust me, it will function. You lose that remote control and you're a Hisense person, I'm on Hisense. Come on, I have a remote control.
Nice. Very good. So you see, already they had a story about something they just found at random. So you see, that's how easy it is for you to have a business, sindio? And it's also how easy it is for you to flop on an opportunity that comes at random. Uko na idea hapo, lakini hawezi, you can't do anything about it. You have an opportunity to pitch your idea, but then unajipata. Last time, one of the things that we talked about last time was about how ideas can be turned into opportunities. And yeah, we've seen a practical example of how these opportunities come at very random times and when you're least ready. Sindio? Yeah, so as I said, my name is Macharia from Tech Africa Data Analytics Center.